Right, here we are. We arrived at the new apartment, which is called the Cool Apartments on Road 6, Siem Reap. It's a bit out of town, it's not far up Pub Street. The beauty of this is it has two pools. We're in a ground floor apartment. I'll show you the inside of the apartment in a minute. There's the pool right next to us. We can basically just almost jump out the door into the pool. And there's another pool which will probably get shown later in another video perhaps. I can't bother. We have walked up there and had a look, but not walking again because it's just finished raining. Anyway, so there's the main block. There's quite lots of apartments here, so it might be worthwhile. You'll find it on Google anyway, or somewhere. But it's on Road 6. It's called the Cool Apartments. We're paying $200 a month for this. It's a studio apartment basically. I'll just tell you inside, right? So this is the main area. There's a table there. We've got the glasses ready for any booze we might bring. It's got a plant on it. We walk around, we've got a wall decoration. We've got a hole in the wall, which may have had glass in it at some time, or was meant to have. But anyway, there's a hole. We've got a kitchen area here, with a cooker hood, plenty of storage underneath, and on top. 2-burner hob, extractor fan, kettle, I think the kettle's ours, microwave, sink, tap, washing up liquid, fridge freezer, a fan included in the room, nice quite comfortable settee, low table which I keep walking into, but there it is. TV which we probably won't bother watching, but some people might. I can watch any TV I want on the computer anyway. My laptop there. Then into the bed area. I mean, it is a studio apartment, so it's not a separate bedroom. We've got Serene lying on the bed. Nice big bed.
Hello.
Window with a fly screen, insect screen. Air conditioner, wardrobe. Serene's feet. Feet, yes. Nice big bed. Okay. Into the bathroom. I'll put the lights on. Yeah, the bedroom's quite big, yes. Yeah. She just wanted me to say it was big. There are our suitcases. And we made it anyway. It was a bit of a struggle. We had seven things to carry. Oh dear. Anyway, so it's just big enough for two, and you don't spend a lot of time in your room anyway, do you? Well, perhaps you do, I don't know. Anyway, so the bathroom is quite big. It has a bath. It also has a shower screen. The shower is behind the bath, behind the shower screen over the bath. Western style toilet, obligatory bum gun, mirror, tiny shelf. I don't need much, but you know what women are like. More wall decorations, some strange things and whatever. Anyway. And that's basically the inside of the apartment. And so we've just found some books. Books! We've got an Alexa there. I haven't set it up yet. Books. One in French. Français. 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 I think Chinese, Français. Français, I think again. I think these are all French. And that's French as well. Oh, and Agatha Christie in French. Should be interesting. Okay. Anyway, I don't think my French isn't good enough to read it. And there's Siem. Should be on Messenger or TikTok. And we have a wardrobe. Let me show them the mirror in the wardrobe. So there is a mirror in the bathroom, thank God. Hello. And there used to be a mirror here in the wardrobe. In the wardrobe, but disappearing hand. It's a strange shape, so it got broken at some time and not been replaced. There's my laptop and TV, as I've mentioned before. A small bedside cabinet.
Swim, you don't swim.
I've done the swim. I've done it. Shh. No door on the bedroom, but we just pull the curtain across. Just keep the air conditioner on in the bedroom if need be. And yeah, I've done the kitchen. I'm going this way. Oh, she's bossy. Bossy, bossy, bossy. Anyway, so that's it. So it's quite nice, and there's a restaurant, well, there's a cafe next door, a restaurant, cafe, whatever. We're going to go have a bite to eat somewhere else for a change. We've got to find the area out, haven't we? So that's all for now. Back in Siem Reap. I'll try and go in an old haunt of when I first arrived, and might go to our place cafe, my favourite for Western food. Okay, bye for now. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Well, we enjoyed the video. A bit of our trip. It's about 3 hours from Bassambong to Siem Reap, and we're in the cool apartment, which is really quite good because it's got 2 swimming pools. It's a massive apartment. There's a restaurant next door, a cafe, etc. And it's $200 per month. It's on Road 6, which is a bit far away, but it's okay. And we're quite happy with the apartment. It's a studio apartment. Nothing fancy, but good enough. Okay, bye for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, it helps the children of Cambodia. And that's it. Bye bye for now.